I've been working all day long on this patch panel, put in a lot of different pieces of metal in, trying to make it as good as possible. I'm gonna show you guys that right now. So it's not the best, but I put in a bunch of pieces of metal right here. I put on a nice big piece of angle iron to try to make it a little bit stiffer. I re-welded this because this was about to fall off. So inside, I know that there's still some holes. I still got a little bit left to do, but you know, it's all taken care of. It's all structural again, and you know, kind of in one piece. It's not perfect. I didn't try to make it perfect. It's mainly just to make it, you know, better than what it was and no holes. And then I got this piece cut off right here, and piece, you know, all cut out where I want it. And I got the patch panel right here, which, you know, once I have it clamped up, it fits nice and nice. So I'm gonna weld this up right now, and you know, hopefully get that all welded up tonight. It shouldn't be a big deal, and then I can be done with this whole corner, besides doing a little bit more on the inside. Very happy to get this whole thing done. This is going to be pretty much the biggest one section of work, I think. I haven't really found anything else, so once I get this whole thing done, you know, put in body filler and all of that, it'll actually be a lot better to just keep going the rest of the car. So I will get that handled right now. All right, guys, so that's the end of today. I did get this patch panel all welded on. I shouldn't say all done. I still got to do this corner and a little bit over here, but the whole thing's welded on. It's welded on inside there too. I already ground it down. I'm gonna have to grind it down a little bit more. I've been out here a good 8 to 9 hours working on this, so I'm happy with where I am. I wanted to get that patch panel welded on. I still got to do the floor pan, so I'm gonna probably do that tomorrow, but I just wanted to get as much done as possible, and I did, so it's a very good thing to see. It's good to see some progress going on. There's still a bunch to go, but I did get a lot done today. Just stay tuned for the next video. I will be continuing all the body work and everything else in the upcoming video, so if you guys definitely want to check that out, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the video, and look for the next one coming up in a little bit. So thank you guys, I appreciate it.